Hey, it's Rihanna. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome. Today's video is gonna be a hair review on this hair. It's called Elfin. It's what was sent to me. The information to this hair will be in the description box below, included with a discount code. Use my discount code right here to save you money on your purchase throughout the whole store. Period. So we're gonna get into the goodies. They sent me a rat tail comb. Let me take this out the plastic. They sent me a rat tail comb with their name on it. Ooh, it's kind of sturdy. Hold on. I'm gonna need this. Okay, they sent me some lashes that ain't them cheapo. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Them nonsense lashes. They sent me these lashes. These are kind of cute. I might wear these. And they sent me a bunch of headbands. I'm gonna look at them. And then they sent me a wig cap. They sent me 2 wig caps. And like instructions on how to take care of this hair. Now let's get into the hair. It's a 18-inch, 250 density headband wig. This is what it looks like straight out the package. It has 4 combs in it. 4 combs, so 1 in the front, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and then it has this Velcro, like the headband part you put on there. But this is what it look like straight out the package. Nothing, I ain't touch it, I ain't did it. Next I'm gonna do a slick back ponytail. I don't really have to tell y'all what to do for it because it's not really. Okay, so I did my edges off camera because I was fighting these things. We're gonna attempt to put it on. So after fighting this, I feel like I got the wig cap on, but I'm not putting it all the way up front. Give me a long freaking side for this. Ooh, try to place it where I want it. So I kind of want it like closer up front. So I'm gonna put the first comb in right here. Then I'm gonna add these other combs real quick. And then we just pull this. See how I'm just like that, like a headband. So they gave me a whole bunch of headbands, but I like this pink one. It's cute. So we're gonna try them all on. But that's what the pink one looks like. Oh my god! But I just ran the comb through it a few times. I have no shedding, no types of shedding. So I'm gonna try the other headbands on real quick. This one is cute too. Hold on. I'm gonna try to cover my ears up a little. Yeah, this one's cute too. Okay, so next I'm gonna try this one on. This is more stretchier than the other one. Ooh, Lord. This is cute for like a basic outfit. Like I could put it like in like a little ponytail. But this will be so cute for like a basic black and white outfit. Hold on. But yeah, oh my gosh. This is what this one, I think it's gray. I'm not for sure, but I think it's gray. This is what this one looked like. You can always wear it like this, like a regular band right here. And then you can also fold it and make it smaller if you like, you know, like that. You can also do that, but I'm gonna put it back where it was at. Right there. Well, we're gonna try this one on. I'm not a cheetah fan or a cheetah print or whatever, but this one's kind of cute. This one's okay. And then this is the last one they gave me. Ooh, I'm messing up my edges in the process, sweetheart. This yellow one cute too. I'm trying to make it lay flatter, you know, unless I'm putting it on upside down. So this is what this one looks like, but this is how long it is on me. Keep in mind, it's 18 inches. Use my code FINE10 to save money on your purchase throughout the whole store. Period. Period. Poo. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.